It's been a busy month. That's part of the reason why I haven't posted a video in almost a month. I was in Sacramento, and then Arizona, and then we had the holidays, and then I was in Las Vegas, and it's been a haul, to say the least. What I want to talk about today is how manufacturing fits in the consumer marketplace. I was in Vegas because of CES, the Consumer Electronics Show. But what's interesting about that event is that it's not even, well, it's about consumer electronics, but what it's about more is this conglomeration of people from all facets of industry connecting. Most people know about it because it's huge. That's where they announced curved TVs. This year they were talking 5G. But I looked for something that, well, I guess I'm more familiar with. Now, I did a video a while ago about Markforged. Now, I've also visited their booths at a number of trade shows, including IMTS and FabTech. Those are big industrial events. But Markforged also found themselves, along with other 3D printing companies like Formlabs, at CES, the Consumer Electronics Show. And yet, they're very much B2B companies. The other cool inclusion, which was in the Markforged booth, was a robotics company called Haddington Dynamics. One of these things that belongs in, I guess, what I would consider the manufacturing space, and yet they're at a consumer show. And the real cool thing about that is the barrier of entry to manufacturing and engineering is lowering. With companies like Haddington or companies like, say, like Tormach, where consumers or hobbyists enter the market, start businesses, and grow from there. I've said it before, and I guess I'll say it again, manufacturing is going to shrink, and this is case in point, because there's more exposure to more people in a more consumer environment. What's really cool about this event is just how big it is. And then, of course, I got to run into some of my more consumer electronics oriented friends. So that's it. If you like what you've seen, hit that subscribe button, ring the little bell so you can get notified if I'm going to put up a new video. And there's plenty more regular manufacturing stuff to come.